That's the biggest problem, trading. People talking about winning trades, but they're still in them. It's like, you ain't won shit, friend. I would highly advise you take that profit.
Looking for longs today. Looking for longs, man.
Hey, you guys got any more of them longs?
No, I really am looking for longs.
Yeah, right.
Just trying to figure out how to set this up. I had an alert go off this morning. I had Link on notice. You guys don't, Link?
Mm-mm.
I don't trade. Yeah, it's a crypto. I don't really trade the crypto.
Chainlink.
Chainlink.
Yeah, Chainlink. I traded it back in the day.
It's cheap.
It was hot.
Yeah, Bat is cheap.
Bad BAT.
BAT. It's like 30 cents or something.
I think this isn't it 8 cents on Link or $8? Must be $8. 30 cents on Bat.
Bat's like 30 cents, and Bat BTC is down to almost 2.5% today. So there's a cheap alt that's taking a nice plunge, and yeah.
I'll turn to your heat. Let me put you on mute. I'm sorry.
Not that I recommend Bat, but it is fun to trade, I have to say. They have a decent wallet and everything. It's easy to do with.
Yeah, remember that was going to take over crypto at one point.
Oh yeah, the Brave wallet and all that. The Brave browser Bat thing. It's great. I mean, honestly, like, I use it as one of the browsers that I use.
Yeah. So
and it's nice. The browser earns a couple bucks a month. Yeah. What other browser pays me even a penny a month? They pay me a couple bucks a month. Okay, whatever.
Yep.
I just don't put it on anything vital because Brave has a tendency to get kind of funky sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't interact well sometimes with certain websites and stuff.
Yeah, that's why I don't put, like, I mean, whatever. It's fun. Like on entertainment sites though, or YouTube or whatever. It's great. You earn a couple bucks a month just for, having your browser window open.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like a living or anything, yeah, but it's just like an extra couple shekels every month. Yeah. Why not?
Right.
A shekel for you, a shekel for me. 2 more shekels for you. A little bit more magic dust.
All right. Like the magic.
No magic dust.
Magic. It is magic.
Magic oil right here.
Ooh, magic oil.
It's not rolls up a little bit.
Yeah.
You need to drop
Sol is up a little bit. Look at Sol also taking a nice little pumpy pump.
Yeah, somebody was talking about this today. They like this above 38. Where's it at?
Man, Grayscale's up almost 4.5%.
Yeah.
Is that a stock?
Yeah.
The BTC Trust?
No, they're the large cap, digital large cap fund.
Oh,
what's the symbol on it?
There's
GDLC.
I didn't hear him. I'm sorry, what?
GDLC.
GDLC.
And I used to have it on my watch list.
Grayscale large digital cap, $7.
I came in a couple minutes late. Did you guys mention that we set up a new room for people who are in the main channels of the server?
You mean the African crypto warlord room?
Yeah, yeah. The no BS trading discussions. Like no fun. You can't have fun in that room. You talk about trading.
No
This is a
fun in that
serious
room.
operation.
You don't even mention your name. It's only trades.
Only signals.
Yeah, you can't. If you mention my name, you're instantly banned because obviously I like memes too much.
Yeah, we love you,
Oh,
warlord.
if I don't mention my name, how do I put the trade up?
Oh, that's just you have to have a ghost do it for you.
Oh, all right. I'm gonna be asshole one.
That'd be great. Everyone's name in there is asshole with a number.
Who is watching
Asshole one.
AgriTrade? Who
Who
the
the
heck is
hell?
watching AgriTrade?
Who the hell is?
That's
Sorry. I
Who's
thought I was
playing
in the
video
other
games?
chat, guys. I thought I was in the other chat. Sorry.
You're playing video games.
Hilarious.
He's got his Atari going.
Yes, yes.
I thought it was AgriTrade.
Ping pong. Well, so we're back up above 20K, huh?
I'm posting something in the no
Let's
BS
fucking
trade room.
go.
Yep.
Yeah, right.
I mean, we had that move. We had that cross a few days ago on the RMLR, right? The mean ran through it on the daily. That means you're going to likely have a nice move within 3 to 4 days tops. And usually, sometimes a weekend, you're going to have 3 to 4 days,
I just put up a suit. I
and boom,
just put up a.
like clockwork.
Hello. Yeah, we're right above the 33
Hello.
power mean. We're right now on the daily. What's did a 95 for Laplace run? Yeah, like
Yep.
first thing I saw a tight weekly
Sure.
range. Like, okay, this baby on the weekly is probably going to mean revert or go down to the 95 for Laplace. They're like, well, let's go mean revert, but that's about $1,000 above right here. Wouldn't shock me at all if it did do it. There's some hidden bull setting up on this 4 hour after that nice pump candle. I don't even know what the hell I was doing. I pulled up TradingView on my mobile app and I was like, oh, well, yeah, of course. Here goes BTC again. Oh boy. Let's see here. Let me flip this on SPY. I think I saw SPY's up for sure. Not too much, but 4 points or something. Yep. Yeah, there's just like BTC pop. I mean, there was bull div, big time. There's bull div on this 4 hour SPY chart now too, big time. These fishers are ready to turn up. This thing's just gonna go slapping people around. Let me see here. Come on, flip this to a daily. We've been talking about this daily. This Z scores. This don't happen. I mean, this thing is just hanging out down here. Bull div. There's bull div everywhere. And these fishers on the daily are really, 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 really low. Zero volatility, by the way. People didn't notice that on the daily. The 981 is at a 0. That 525 is at a 0. Trending to the downside, but we're at this 2SD band on the entropy. Usually that thing's going to flip around and go back into randomness. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. But yeah, we're going to make a move back up again, I'm sure. Let's see. Let's go to SPY on the VRE. What did this thing do yesterday? Like we talked about at the beginning of the stream yesterday, right? It was like, well, I mean, one of the first things I said is SPY is probably going to go up, test about 370. Went up to 370.21 or something. Rejected, went to the 68.3 on the daily to the downside. That last 15-minute wick right to the bottom of the daily range and that 4 hour first standard deviation. Pulled back hard, right back down to this S1 and the 68.3 Laplace. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Did exactly what it was showing though. All right, go up, test it, boom. Rejected. And so that's the week. The weekly's been tested on SPY, but the way BTC is acting, I'm sure if we pull up the correlation chart, we're going to see something interesting for sure. That'll tell us a lot, especially right when it opens here in 19 minutes. See if SPY is going to follow BT or continue to just push BTC, or is BTC going to drag SPY? Who knows? Who knows? We're trying to break BTC. What are they, stupid? What are they, dumb? These stupid governments. Good luck. Good luck. BTC has died many times. It just keeps coming. It's the honey badger. The honey badger don't give a shit.
No, it's a Wolverine, man.
Okay.
Yeah, today the housing numbers come out, which is
Well, mine says it's the first time that the housing U.S. house prices dropped.
but that's always one that you can count on housing numbers and good things.
Bond future.
I got a text from my friend late last night. Should I sell my Bitcoin and silver? I was like, definitely the silver. It's like sell the silver, buy Bitcoin. Told you this before. You heavy metal stacking hoarder. How's that working out for you?
It's weird.
Fuck. I don't get it. It's a fever though, man. You get that heavy metal fever, you're just on it. I want more. I like heavy metal. We're not talking about the music. All right. So spies, yeah, it's creeping back up. Wouldn't be a bit surprised if in the next 15 minutes this thing climbs a little bit more. Let's see. Where's this daily range? It's above it. That's good. Above the daily range. How'd the 15-minute end yesterday? Whoops. Volatility starting to expand. In the last 15-minute candle, there was no bear div. There's hidden bull. Fishers are right around the center line. Nothing much. Totally random on the 15. How about the last 45-minute candle? Anything peeking out here? Bunch of bull div. SPY's probably going to pop today. Not probably. Wonder how we're about to find out how close it's going to be to that daily range. Maybe drop real quick, bounce off of that, fly up. And this returns oscillator on the 90 is going to bounce right off the zero mean probably. That's some of the stronger moves that we have, obviously. Those of us that have been watching and doing these streams for a while. We know what happens. Pretty sure, yeah. Where was that? Was that on the 12? Yeah, 12-hour form. Oh no, the SPY. Fuck, I thought it was back on BTC. Yeah.
A lot of stocks gapping.
Yeah.
A lot of stocks gapping up, man. Some of the bigger names. Amazon's up $3. Microsoft's up $3. Nvidia $3.
Here's this packet bull div on the daily that was setting up. I mean, we got some long term. I mean, weeks ago, damn near a month probably. Yeah, what is that? Yeah, August 18th. You know, easy over a month. Yeah, just bull div everywhere. Got a nice pop on it right here, and then just created more. Wouldn't be a bit surprised to. Let's see. Probably gonna create some hidden bear if this really doesn't jump. We don't see Bitcoin back up above. Yeah, 22.3, 22.4. This thing's going to set up hidden bear, probably just dump again right when it goes into trend. Although this volatility's setting up for a little pumpy. Pump in paradise. Yeah. Oh. Hush.
Yep.
You guys want out? They're out there chasing. I finally saw a furry animal running around.
If they're setting up.
Big red fox. All right, let's see here.
By the way, notice it hit a 3SD on the RMLR on the daily when it pumped up coin. So me
On what? Are you talking the daily?
in the offing soon again.
Daily on BTC. Oh yeah, I mean we're up here.
What the fuck was that?
We're above the 1SD and the band and the 3SD
Yeah,
band.
on
You are you are break.
RMLR,
And not to be hearing you, my friend.
3012 RMLR.
Heard that. Hello. 4 hours of here.
Version coming soon. And it's
Yeah, 4 hours at
not
the
even,
man.
and it's not even that high above the mean, so it doesn't even have to go that far.
Like what, man? This this is looking pumpy. Not gonna lie. Here's that power mean on the 90-minute. Yep, right at the reverse mean. Rocketed off both of them right there. So did the daily. 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour. Got above it and just let's go. I like the way this 4 hour chart's looking though. I do. What did VIX end up yesterday? Pulled back a little bit. I think it almost got up to 33, didn't it? Last time I took a peek. And we're having that rejection. Yep. Lagging. And we're not talking about indicators. Talking about internet. RE. What is that? Solana, huh? Back up to $35, old soul.
Nice. Nice, Solana.
Anybody notice Solana is weekly?
Negative? What you looking at?
This is it right here.
Okay, 32.
This is the weekly range for Solana. This thing is going to trend hard. It's already starting, right? Let's see what it's doing here. Ramping up. Go to whoops. Go to Sol.
What does it look like against BTC? Because it was a bit laggy. Oh, there we are.
See, here's the
Yeah,
daily.
you're getting ready to trend.
Bunch of bull div, man. This is a perfect bounce here too. Well, it wasn't Solana summer. Maybe it's gonna be Solana winter. We'll see. Considering how much I've got invested in it.
Hopefully it's summer to summer, bro. Not just 3 months.
Let's go. Just take it to the moon real fast and I'll sell. Won't be a problem.
Need to move markets, bro. You need the liquidity.
Like Bubble Goose. It's an investment. Fucking whatever the hell they're up to doing. Give me a break. Yikes. Sitting on all fucking 43 of these goofy things.
Nah, there's potential.
Oh, there is. It's just like there ain't nothing going on.
Right? Not having access to being able to flick 7 times 43 worth of Solana right now. Every dollar move is what? You know?
For sure. Carl and Love needed some new FUBU gear. Wind Pilot. The fuck you guys doing? Let's see some.
Shit.
Let's see it. Oh, I love that. Little GIF. Nervous for the market open. Ooh, it's getting close. 9 minutes. 9's one of my favorite numbers. Could be good. All right. Yes. Yeah. But anyway, Solana. Like it. A lot of bold tiv too. We're getting these pops. But obviously the Z scores are pretty high. But then same as Bitcoin. I mean, I'm looking at this volatility. It's kind of setting up for a move. Contracting, negatively correlated. Starting to drop in the trend as the predictors saying to the top side. A lot of things I look for when that stuff's matching up like that. Could be good. The Fishers are charging too. So is a DLP. There's no bear div. It's setting up a little right here, right? But there's no top yet. There's no top yet. This thing's still movable. Weekly, we're not going to get a very good read, except, wow, look at the Laplace bands on the weekly on Solana. I'm telling you what, man, I've been looking at some of these crypto charts on these high time frames, and this
They're getting
BS,
there.
this BS will soon be over, in my opinion. As these
It's getting
longs
there.
just continue to pile on. It's just ridiculous. Everybody, they want to be that guy. Oh man, I long Bitcoin 19. Hell, it's at 120K right now. I did great. I was like, yeah, you did. Have you taken your profit yet? Are you going to wait till it goes back to 40? Fuck people, man. I mean, that's the biggest problem. Trading. People talking about winning trades, but they're still in them. It's like you ain't won shit, friend. I would highly advise you take that profit before Bitcoin.
Before you've just wasted your time staring at a screen for 5 to 6 hours.
Yeah.
Sorry for the language. Like literally. And then you can have coffee and you're spending money to waste money looking at a screen. You need to take action. You genuinely need to take action. And it's hard. It's hard. But it's like pull the trigger, jump the jump. You know?
Right.
Do something that scares you every day, man, and you'll become a completely different human. You know?
Good advice right there from the African crypto warlord.
Yeah, bro, that's one of my favorite quotes. Do something that scares you every day.
Yeah.
And it's Kurt Casilli. He used to race. Sorry for the waffle. He used to race Dakar for KTM when they went there.
Bro.
When they started doing Baja 1000 and stuff. He was the guy that was assassinated.
R.I.P.
Yeah, motherfucker, the OG. Anyway,
dude, my good
do
friend.
something that scares you every day.
He's got Kurt shit everywhere. His garage is a trip. Incredible.
Damn. Tell him I've got mad respect. I really dig Kurt Caselli, bro.
Dude, right? Yep. Let's see here. Yeah, but this yeah, we're all over the place. They're going, who the hell is that? Incredible racer, man.
Anyway, sorry for the warps. But the market's picking up on the crypto side of things. What's Solana doing here? She looks like she wants to break out if XRP is also wanting to lift. If one shitcoin goes, most want to go.
Yep.
There's about 5 minutes, 10 minutes difference between them max as they shuffle the market.
Yeah, this 45-minute candle on Solana, just boom. 2 SD to the downside, 68 or 2 SD, 95.4 to the downside, 68.3 to the top side. I mean, to the dollars. Zip, 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 zip. Nothing to see here, though. It's just a distribution. Not a problem. We don't expect you to understand it. But I highly recommend you do. Or you're lost. Might think you've been found, but you're lost. YouTube Jimmy's got you in the palm of his hand. Cradling you. Wiping the tears away. It'll be okay. I've got a new indicator coming out. It's going to be incredible. Let's see. All right. Yeah, Solana looks, all the cryptos look pretty damn good. What's ETH doing? Hadn't died yet? Damn it. Although I really don't want that. That would be tragic for crypto. Fuck. A lot of people like ETH. I have no idea why, but it's okay. Because they
I
got
don't know.
fat. They're carrying
It's like a
massive
pastime.
bags. They got huge bags.
Ether's like a pastime. I look at it like cricket. Yeah, you can look at cricket as a sport, but it's more of a tradition. And now Ethereum is that kind of like, it's a tradition. Have some Ethereum. But the moment everybody gets their dust out of their Ethereum wallets, not so much that supply is going to be locked up. I know I have like 10 Ethereum dust wallets. I'm sure it's worth something. I'm going to press sell when I can access them all. So it's a catch-22 for Ethereum, having low transaction fees. Any money under $40 previously, that was any Ethereum that was valued under $40 in those dusted accounts, whatever you're doing when you first started crypto, you now have access to sell that for whatever dollar price it is. Where it used to cost you $40 to send the transaction anyway. You
Right.
lock yourself in with Ethereum, man. So it is such a clever flip and Ponzi. So now we push the. Now we see.
Mm-hmm. Yes. That's what's great.
Anyway, I'm sure they can do good things in due time.
Shit will unfold. Yes. Yes, it will. That's what I love about trading too, man. Good practice of being in the present moment. You better be. You better be in the moment when you're trading. Let's see here. Let's see. Gold. Oh boy. Silver staying above fucking $18, huh? They know that's where Bilbo sold. Like, we can't drop below there. He might go buy more. Let's see. Just seeing if anything's fucking sticking out here. The outliers? Really? Not really. DeFi, anything popping here? Uni coming back from the dead. All those swaps, they just got hammered. Holy shit. Matic. Matic actually held up pretty well. There's old Link. 830, huh? The DeFi index on FTX, 2752.
When the market open.
Cake bake.
Unless
Good thing I sold all that bake. Where is? Do not know.
that's starting
Oh,
down nice percent.
Here we go. Let's get all this on SPY real quick. Pop this on SPY. Pop this on SPY. Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay, so we're going to open above the daily range. That's good. And it's actually probably going to be, right? Fuck, man, it's not going to change much. It's probably going to get tighter. No, it stayed about the same. But we literally just opened up above the 1SD. Yeah, the 1SD is at 367. Above the daily. This thing might be in the workings of breaking some hearts here. This thing could fly real quick and then just woo. Let me see. We got damn. Well, that's strong now, man. Pushing up, opening above that 1SD. Let's see if distribution provides much needed support there. We'll find out. And it's close enough to the daily range where you get just a little bounce here, you're good. And we don't have to worry about it anyway. We know, especially in these markets, people get confused. It gapped right up through the daily range. I mean, it's not like this needs to be tested. It's when you get a daily range where you open above and it's down here, right? You gapped up, but that's clear sign this thing is gonna have a nice little fake out. Right now, though, This baby, let's see. Let me hook this on Spy.
66.95.
Let's see where
Chill.
it's looking like. We're rejecting off of this mean, though, I'll tell you that. We're above it right now.
Yeah.
Barely.
Except he's on a rampage, guys. Like, it's just ripping through these PB cones. I'm honestly looking for a short because it's always good to look for a pullback. But my gosh,
Yeah.
it's just, it's hilarious. Like, in the PB coins, it's beautiful.
Holy shit, what did MJ
GG's.
post? It didn't ruin my day. That might ruin part of my life, though. My God, what is that? Just threw me off track, MJ. Good job, you and your freaking gifts. Let's see here. Yeah, this baby literally, and what's that on the 4 hour? Woo! Holy shit, holy. What's this weekly look like? Yeah, so we're talking 386. Woo! Right now. Incredible. 1 SD on SPY, 378. That's a weekly. You're gonna yeah, like today.
Yeah,
Yeah,
look at that now.
3 SD move today. If it wants to fly, which it damn sure could, because there is definitely
Yep.
some dips. There's definitely dips.
Yeah, through was that like 370.59, something like that on the plus, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a couple bucks up could do it.
Yeah, I mean, look at this 90-minute, all this bull div. All the fishers are up too. Expanding volatility, positively correlated, heading into randomness. Very interesting indeed.
Rising variance, rising correlation on the 90-minute on SPY.
Yep.
Still not significant correlation, but real close. Real close.
Yeah. This thing's gonna move, man. This thing's definitely gonna move. Let's see.
Yeah.
I've been talking about this Z-score. You don't see that often. Go back, look through the history of the Z-scores. I mean, you don't just hang out like this. And it didn't even drop to the 99% confidence interval for this hard with these hard moves down on this daily. Just set up bull div. Was setting up bull div while these fishers dropped. I mean, literally 2 of them were down at the 3 SD band. One got a little bit below the first, but hello. They're speaking now. Especially with
The daily's pointing up on the Z score on daily on SPY, that's for sure.
2-day bull div, 3-day bull div, weekly a little bull div. Yeah, but the weekly, the fishers, yeah, this could be a little choppy. Chop suey. Some point though, this thing's gonna really pop. It's like BTC is doing. Well, not that it's a real pop, but definitely had a good move. Said what, $1,000?
Yeah.
Full
Interestingly enough, there's bull div on the RO, but not on the ALR. Interesting. I mean, I guess. Well, yeah, no, there isn't. Yeah. Yeah. Interesting.
Got 15-minute left.
There's
That
your
boom, immediately have
there's an inefficiency you can exploit, right?
Yeah,
For sure. That's by the way, for anybody who's listening new on YouTube, because this might get on the YouTubes, like exploit the inefficiencies of the market. That's what we're doing. That's literally what we're like. We're looking at this information to find inefficiencies or imbalances between the buys and the sell. That's why Bilbo talks about dibs all the time, right? It's an imbalance between the buys and the sells. And those are inefficiencies. And that's the opportunity to make a move and to take profit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Man, weekly on SPY.
Yeah.
But
Shazam.
African, that XRP, baby. XRP. Look at that. Look at that weekly on XRP. That is
XRP. Come, guys, we can join the army.
that
We
is
can
a,
join the army.
that is a boinger. Dude, that is a banger right now. That's a banger. You got all
Yeah,
kinds of yummy
yeah,
things.
yeah. I'm logging into Binance to make sure I can capture some of this.
Yeah, there's a hell of a these bands on the weeklies, man, they're not even they're barely expanding. Starting to move up though. Tell you that.
It is.
Old
It's
dip,
Wednesday. It's
Fisher.
Wednesday, and apparently volume, comes on Wednesday in crypto market, and it's true.
No, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Today's Tuesday.
Tuesday. So then, what's Wednesday going to be like,
Yeah.
guys?
Yeah, this thing's got juice in it for sure. I mean, it had all that. Remember, it had that bear div on that run up. That returns oscillator's dropped all the way down. Now it's hidden bull. This thing's probably gonna freaking pop. Although these fishers are like I'm seeing on a lot of assets though, volatility's contracting, negatively correlated. We know what usually happens there. Yeah, I'm not gonna be mad at it. Let's go. Let's have a party. Yeah. Big time. Boom, 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 boom. There's where the bull devil was on
Hey, what
me.
that Z score? That Z score keeps falling off on XRP on the daily, and if that RMLR keeps pointing with the predictor saying down, while you got variance kind of flattening out,
Right.
yeah, man, this could be quite something. Plus, you got the entropy falling off the trend, coming slightly back into random, with the direction there saying get out, but the aggressive one saying long it. So. Plus, you look how it's been moving through the probability, the projection bosses here. Wow, man. I mean, you want to see a nice distribution model. That's daily on XRP since the reversal. Very, very nice.
Even on this weekly.
Very nice.
Got stifled by the power mean here. But launched off the
Really
reverse.
bang.
Boom. Very interesting.
Oh,
Talking to daily. Oh, yeah.
XRP on a 1 minute with the
Yeah.
PB coin out, absolute cheat. I think it's rigged.
yes.
Yeah. So there's
Yeah,
a
right.
lot of volatility.
It's as if the
So
computers are deciding things by mathematics.
yeah.
My God.
How many candles am I going to go back? I'm going to go back 12. That's how many.
Look at that DLP. Dude. Look at that DLP on XRP on that one. That's crazy. Oh, man.
We're back in the distribution.
Oh, I wonder what the BTC pair looks like. How is Solana's BTC pair, considering that it's also getting a little bit stronger?
I will look at it. 1 second. This is interesting though. Look at this bad boy. So
Cheap. Solana's been cheap on BTC. But yeah, now.
this is got a close. Got a daily close outside the 3 SD band on the reverse mean. Pulled back immediately back inside and then pumped. Got a wick outside it again. Closed right on it. Now it's worked itself back inside the 2 SD band and the distribution. That's why we love this. Not a lot of room for error to the top side here, right? I mean, we are at the top of the distribution, and now you can move this around. This is back from what, September 15th, but it's definitely it liked it above the 95.4. But now this is what happens. It's all about probabilities. It's moving back in. I bet if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me move this back just 6 for that big pump candle. Are you gonna move? What the hell you doing? Did I change the wrong? Yes, I did. That's 6. Damn it. There we go. Yeah, exactly. Got a wick outside the distribution on this move. Closed the candle outside, came back in, boop, back, boom. pretty much the same.
Repping.
Working its way back in. But on daily, yeah, this thing's got room to fly. We're talking like top side of the distribution now is over 60 cents. African crypto warlord wants that. Give me that 60 cent.
Give me that little move.
50 cents, older brother. 60. Sold 60 cent. That's old guy humor. It's not even fucking funny. Let's see here. Yeah, XRP is definitely moving. If you got me on this chart, yeah, something's going on.
It's for now. But I reckon she deserves always a good wicking to the downside.
Oh yeah. That's the best.
Nobody. Yeah.
Buy the pump, sell it.
Ain't nobody ever gets away scot-free trading this fucking thing.
That's right. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so that is daily Bitcoin. I'll tell you what, man, this thing is rocketing away from the freaking reverse mean, that's for sure. And it's above the power mean. So if you're looking for a sign, they're there. We'll see though. Spy's moving. Yeah.
If you want a signal when you're watching this hours later, you missed it.
There's a bottom and there's that monthly S2 again in the bottom of the weekly range. Right below it. That's what I want to look for. But it's just like, this day, I mean, you gap up above the 1SD. So again, all right, to the top side, it's thin. It's thin. I mean, you got the 95 for Laplace, 2SD, both above or both below the center of the weekly volatility range. So there's a lot of overhead liquidity for selling right here. But these bulls move through there. You know how it goes. They'll switch it up real fast. They'll be like, oh yeah, okay, fuck it, let's buy. The bulls are loose. It's the running of the bulls. Bull markets are fun. That's the thing. We're in this scumbaggery of a bear market, which I'm always in denial about bear markets. Then finally one day Bilbo just starts talking about bear markets. I'm not in denial anymore. But when moon. Let's see here. But today, I mean, if we can close up here above like this 95 for Laplace, a little bit under in the weekly range, that's what you want to see. You want to be able to, you want to get some wicks and candles into this weekly range right here to see what happens with the price action. There's no doubt. You close up in it, and all that sell liquidity wasn't able to push it back down below. Probably gonna have a good week. You could definitely see this thing cruise up above. At least by tomorrow, top of the weekly, 376. But yesterday was perfect. I think I even came in the chat and I was like, 370 got tested. Look out below. Boom. Where would have been a good place to take profit? Hell, bottom side of the 68.3 for sure. But obviously, you're trading low time frames, 5 minute, 3 minute. You're not in this whole trade right here. There's a few trades here. Rejection off the bottom side of the daily and the top side of the 68.3. There's another good scalp. Boom, 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 boom. But this was a no-brainer. Especially there was low time frame bear div on this move, which, like Yasha was just talking about, so I use the divs, not regular divs, divergence between returns and price action. It's all about the returns, right? Why the fuck are people using divs like in the RSI and the stochastics? And I mean, what is that telling you? Nothing. YouTube Jimmy thinks it's great though, so everybody's like, well, if YouTube Jimmy uses it, it must be good. I mean, this guy's a great trader. Look, he's got a boat and nice cars and holy shit. Yeah, it's because you're buying his trading program, you wafflehead. Getting misled. YouTube Jimmy says go long, go short. Because that's what he's doing. He's using you. And I won't mention any names, but I know that is 100% a fact. So yeah, it's all good. I mean, hey, it's a tough world out there. Everybody's trying to make a buck. Even Win Moon. He's a good guy. MJ just posted his picture in the stream chat. He's a lot older than he looks. So we go over here. You know what I said I was going to do and I didn't? Pop up this correlation chart. See what the hell's going on. There you are, you little booger. It should still be SPY. Yes. What's this on? A 15-minute? Yep. Whoop. On opening. Correlated positively. I want to see the 4-hour. Yeah, significant negative correlation. All right, this whole move. But SPY was closed, obviously. But it was already heading. I'm telling you right now, this is one of those times where let's go crypto. Let's go crypto. These macro time frames, though, still positively correlated. Definitely. These intraday time frames. Yeah. Let's see crypto pump, traditional dump. But it's a no-brainer, BTC. I mean, there was some nice buying going on here last night, right? Started about 8 o'clock. Zip. Sure, it was MicroStrategy. Borrowing more money and buying Bitcoin, probably. MJ's got the lead in on that.
Their average buy is quite higher than the current price, according to their latest reports, right?
Oh, big time. Wasn't it like high 20s or something?
I think they're like a 30. Yeah, they're like a 30K average or something,
Mm-hmm.
or 29, whatever. High 20s or 30s or something like that.
So yeah, he's fucking like doubling, tripling, quadrupling down. It's smart.
Yeah, he should have been shorting the way. He should have been shorting on the way down. But all right.
Talk about a market dump. He would have dumped all that Bitcoin like Elon did. Oh, shit.
Yeah. He'd have a lot more Bitcoin right now.
Yeah. A lot more. He's
A lot more. You know, I mean, they already own a hefty percentage, but it would be a few times bigger than that.
Yes, it would.
They really missed a huge opportunity because of their drinking their own Kool-Aid. I mean, they really did.
Drinking their own Kool-Aid. Where's that GIF at? It's a good one, too. There it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Drink the Kool-Aid. It's okay. The only Kool-Aid I would be drinking is Alpha Trading's.
That's right.
That's the Kool-Aid I'd be drinking. I don't know. What is this dumbass doing? I don't even have to play that video. I can already tell.
Can you imagine what happens with that bike?
Yeah, oh, I've got a good idea. Got a good idea.
It's funny though. After the bike falls, they're both looking at each other, bitching at each other. It's funny as hell.
Oh, I'm sure. I've seen some pretty dumb shit. Some of the dumbest shit I've ever seen is at boat ramps. When I had my boat.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. I've literally jumped out of my truck and went to help the idiots. Because I want to get my boat in. If you're looking down at the ramp, you're like, yeah, this isn't going anywhere. They need somebody with a brain to come in and solve their issue. I've literally seen somebody pull straight in. Straight in to where their car fucking is underwater.
Oh my gosh.
They're like, well, how do I get the boat out? The boat's not in the water. And you're just like, you're not going to survive, my friend.
You shouldn't have
I
a
cannot
boot.
believe your children haven't eaten you yet. You see some amazing things, especially when it comes to boats, motorcycles, any like extracurricular fun activity vehicles. Yeah, the dum-dums really come out in force. It's brutal. Poor guys.
Yeah.
All right. Whoop, I'm still in XRP. Damn it. And there wasn't a screensaver. That's not going to hurt my computer, is it? ACW? Having that on so long.
Probably will. It probably
Right.
will.
So that's what I want to see. Bitcoin on these low time frames. That's up here. Let's see, 90 minute. I mean, it's just setting. There's just hidden bull everywhere. Hidden bull everywhere. And actually, bull div on the 45. That little drop. The previous 45-minute candle. God, look at that wick. Holy shit. Look at the wick. That's why you go over here and you're like, okay, what are these wicks hitting into? Let's see here. There you go, right? You're up here at the you're literally up here. People are like, well, why is price action getting stifled right here? This is the top side of the daily volatility range. All right? You got wicks through it. Nothing closed above it. And a very, very, very high probability it's not going to happen. That's why we love the distribution. And right above that, you got the 95.4 Laplace. So if you do get a wick up here, this is probably BTC has got a high probability of closing under 20.3 today. That's why we love this indicator. Just like to the downside, right? The bottom of the daily range is at 17.8. Top side 20.3. So yeah, talking like what, $2,500 range, the daily. And you got a tight weekly. So this was a no-brainer. You know what? Don't be shocked if you see this fucking right back down at the weekly range. The weekly range is telling you trend. That trend doesn't have to be in one direction. We trended to the top side already. Boom. First couple days already back up there. And there was volatility in the 15. I mean, God, look at these trades. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. I'm sure the pattern traders are like, but man, isn't that an ascending triangle? I think that's an ascending triangle. Oh, we broke out too. It's great. It's a little more than the measured move, but yeah, we like it. Okay. I wish I'd just come here and listen. We got to break YouTube, Jimmy. And there's only one way to do that, ladies and gentlemen, and that's with YouTube live streams. Son of a bitch, we got to get it done. We are discussing it, figuring it out. I got to get some cams. I mean, I got the iMac cam, but I want a couple GoPros or something. You know?
Yeah, and a soundboard.
And a soundboard.
And a hot
sure.
girl in the background.
Yeah, and a hot girl in the background.
Right.
I'll go check my cougar traps later today.
Why the hot girl?
You could just leave her on. You could just leave her on the camera, and then the Twitch views will go up.
Exactly.
Allegedly.
Why has it always got to be about sex?
Yeah.
Humans.
I'm sorry, did I say that out loud?
You know.
Yeah. He was living on the couch.
Right. And I'm in the middle of the woods. Yeah, I'll get a cam.
Kick it down the Camp Street.
I'll put one of the cougars out in the bikini, and we'll just have like a live stream cam on her. A little
You
red.
got cougars there?
There's a red fox out here too. Cute little booger. But yeah, soundboard's a must.
You could set up one of those automatic feeders.
Mm-hmm.
Like, people do, like, you feed chickens on the internet with Bitcoin or whatever.
I
You
wanted
could
to
do
make,
like a thing where you like feed the big.
yeah. I mean, I've already got 3 roosters in the perimeter, so it's not like the chickens are going to bother me. Yep, P-Funk, cougars everywhere.
That was so funny yesterday. You really got
Yeah,
cougars?
yeah, that was fun. Like, yes,
Talk
we
about a
did.
student odd.
So one good thing about coming back to Indiana, you understand when if you live in the mountains, yeah, it's rough.
Well, they supposedly we're the Wolverine state. I've never seen a Wolverine here.
Mm, right? Yeah,
Apparently, they're in the UP.
yeah, yeah. It's beautiful up there. I used to go up there. Hell, it's where I grew up skiing. Yeah, shit. What'd you do? How'd you change that GIF up? That's funny. Is that Wind Moon at an older age? That's great. All right.
Hours of my meme making.
Right.
Thanks, man.
Oh, there's a sweet cougar GIF right there. Deal with it. Deal with it. Deal with it. Ah. All right. Oh, did we lose the warlord? Maybe somebody's fucking invading. Trying to get the goats. Got to save the goats.
Feed the goats to the cougars.
Yeah, they're they're voracious animals, man. They like red meat. Let me see here. That
Eat
wow.
too much red meat, it gives you gout.
P-Funk, soybeans are up 1.3. Did you ever trade soybeans?
No, I never have. Or OJ. None of the actual physical commodities. I had the OJ one up yesterday to just lower. It's FCOJ because it's the future contracts of orange juice. Oh, it's up. $183, whatever it is, a ton or I don't know. And then Yasha showed me that they trade rice. Symbol ZR1 exclamation point.
It's the time
Nice.
too from the early freezes and shit, right? They're trying to they're trying to get that futures market nailed down, just like trading places.
Yeah, as I get back in there and get those OJ contracts.
Get them, get them.
But that's when OJ was $19. Remember, it was like 18 to $26 or whatever, and it's 183 now.
Yeah, should have got in the orange juice.
Yeah, yeah. Should have got in OJ long ago, man.
Hey,
I thought it was.
your semi's up 4.7.
Yeah.
I thought OJ was just for drinking after you dropped acid.
What'd you say? The semis? Yeah, because I got the SOXL. It's up 4.6%. Yeah, I'm watching it, man.
Ugh.
So I don't got any real real. I don't know. This market's like doesn't know what it wants to do right here. You know what I mean? Even though we're up 250 on the Dow, it's like at this point where they're trying to figure out what the hell to do with it.
Right, right. Yeah,
most
It's a
of
good
most
point.
of
You
these
know, you
Indies-
don't want to jump in trades after a move already happened.
Oh, yeah.
ding ding.
Well, I put a trade out on the no BS just trading thing, but I did put some meat gifts on there, and I do apologize to African because I know it's a serious operation.
He's
So I put some trades out. I put a trade on there. I caught the minis right up here this morning, but now they're back right to almost right where I bought them. So
Okay.
rinse, rinse. I'm just trying to see. I think I don't know. I think they take this market up, but I mean, obviously it's up already, but I'm just trying to see if any of our indies start to point this up.
well,
For
if you think it's
sure.
going up,
You
you
gotta
wait
take
for
your
a
profits,
pullback,
bro.
right?
Yeah, well, I took them. No, I laid out. I bought 3 contracts. I still got one. I had 2 that I sold up as I went, but I was, I have the one. You're right, taking profits. That's
Yeah.
why I sell out there. I try to
Yeah,
buy
right on.
between two, 3, or 4 contracts when I play, and I scale it out and I see if I can let one run or put a stop at break even, just in my head. I'm sure everybody has a different theory on however they do it. That's the one good thing about having free trades on, TD or Webull or whatever. Doesn't matter where you leave shit out.
Right.
I
I'm
can't
working
believe
on.
it's amazing it's come down to free, man. I remember when I first was trading, it was
Yeah.
like $20 a trade or whatever. I mean,
I
not
don't
when I
know
was
what's
making
going on.
markets, but for myself.
Sweet. Oh, time flies. Look at
Well, you can trade. It's better to be on a retail site. You trade all you want for free.
Bitcoin,
Morning.
4 hour. Bitcoin 4 hour looking dumping. It's good. Cooling
Bitcoin.
off a bit.
Break it up. Mm.
Yeah, it's definitely going to pull back here. All right, guys. What you
Well,
think?
have a great day, man.
Yeah, you guys have a good day too. We'll get back at it tomorrow morning. Let's see what happens the rest of the day. But yeah, Bitcoin, it's kind of stifled right here. I don't think this thing's going any higher. Not today. If anything, it's going to pull back.
What up?
Try to find some support down here. This weekly top weekly R1. A little under 20, 19.7. Something like that. Let's see what happens. And we'll get back at it tomorrow. Yep, definitely a great stream. Talk to you guys later.